Hi, welcome back to my channel, qiqiyummybanana. I'm gonna teach you how to make bitter melon today. It's called the bitter melon cake with eggs. So first you need two bitter melon, and then you want to cut the head and the tail of the bitter melon. And then chop them into half. And then cut each half into another half. Now get a huge spoon and small. Just get a spoon you want to take out the seeds of the bitter melon. I guess those doesn't taste good. Oh, oops! I was boiling some water to make a green bean dessert. Well, be careful, watch your fire when you're cooking. Stay safe. And also try to get the white part of the inside the bitter melon out because it doesn't taste good. Looks clean. Yeah, make sure you get everything out. And then after that, you need to get some water. Put it into a pan. Boil the water. Let's put the bitter melon inside. And get 5 eggs. And crack them into a bowl and whip it until it becomes liquid. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be liquid. Now it's ready, and then add some salt into the egg to make it salty, and then gather all your ingredients. Yeah, first, and now only cook the bitter melon for 2 minutes to get rid of the bitter taste, and then chop the bitter melons into small cubes. Yeah, it's a chop. pew pew pew. Just kidding. And then you get some garlic and ginger. Also chop them off with your knife you have. Pew pew pew. Just kidding. Oh no. Video bomb. Okay, focus on your chopping. Now time to cook it. First, heat up your pan and put the ginger and garlic inside. And mix some oil inside the pan as well. Pour the bitter melon chips into the pan. For about 5 minutes. So watch the color turn kind of darker and yeah, you get it cooking. Cooking everything around it. Now you can put the egg in there. Evenly spread it. And then wait until the bottom turns golden. Use your pencil to check if it's ready to flip. Now flip it. Oh, you can see it's kind of golden already on the other side. You want to cook it again for maybe like 3 minutes to 5 minutes until it turns golden. You can add some black pepper to make it taste better. Turn them to make it cooking. Let's put some soy sauce. Soy sauce make everything taste good. Ta-da! It's ready to eat. Look how pretty it looks. Ta-da! Yummy, yummy. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Yummy.